Chapter 10. Adjectives, Degrees of Comparison. Look at the pictures and understand. Miss Kitty is tall. Mrs. Cow is taller than Miss Kitty. Uncle Peng is the tallest among them. Positive degree. The first picture just describes one person, Miss Kitty. This is the simplest form of adjective, tall, that has been used. This word tall is said to be in the positive degree. Comparative degree. From the above pictures, you can make out that Mrs. Cow is taller than Miss Kitty. Here we are comparing the heights of Miss Kitty and Mrs. Cow. We use the comparative degree of adjectives when we compare between two persons or things. The comparative degree of tall is taller. We get the comparative degree of adjectives by adding er to the adjective. For example, bright, brighter, long, longer, short, shorter, using more before the adjective. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, handsome, more handsome. Superlative degree from the above pictures. You can make out that Uncle Peng is the tallest among the three of them. We use the superlative degree of adjectives to show a comparison between more than two persons or things. The superlative degree of tall is tallest. We get the superlative degree of adjectives by adding est to the adjective. For example, long, longest, short, shortest, bright, brightest, using most before the adjective. For example, beautiful, most beautiful, handsome, most handsome. We also use the definite article, the, while using the superlative degree. For example, Uncle Peng is the tallest among the three. Formation of degree. Many adjectives, positive degree, form their comparative degree by adding er and their superlative degree by adding est to them. Positive, comparative, superlative. Dark, darker, darkest. Rich, richer, richest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Poor, poorer, poorest. If an adjective, positive degree, ends with e, add er and st. Positive, comparative, superlative. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Wide, wider, widest. 3. If an adjective, positive degree, ends with consonant and y, change the y to I and add er and est. Positive, comparative, superlative. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Happy, happier, happiest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Sometimes the last letter of the adjective, positive degree, is doubled before adding er and est. Positive, comparative, superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Put more, less and most, least in front of longer adjectives to show comparison. Positive, comparative, superlative. Appealing, less appealing, least appealing. Remarkable, more remarkable, most remarkable. Beautiful, more beautiful. most beautiful, alert, more alert, most alert. Some adjectives do not follow any rule while forming their comparative and superlative degrees. Positive, comparative, superlative. Little, less, least, good, better, best, much, more, most.